children. Today let us learn what is fractional numbers. Children, you have already learned what is fractions. And fractions you can see in your home only. For example, your mummy will prepare 8 chapatis. 2 for you, okay? 2 for her and 4 for your daddy, okay? 2 he may eat or he may carry as a tiffin, okay? 2 plus 2, 4. So this fraction, even it is found in the hospitals. For example, doctor gives 5 tablets and says you have to eat it half morning and half after. So dividing equally is called as fraction. Definition means fraction is a part of a whole. Now let us learn what is half, quarter and 3/4. Kiran's mother gave him 1 roti to feed the dog, Tommy. His sister Jyoti came and started quarreling with Kiran for feeding the dog. Then mother came, enquired reason for the quarrel and told each of them to feed the dog with a half a roti. Okay children, here what you understood, Kiran's mother gave 1 roti to Kiran. Okay, so what he did? He was going to feed the dog. Suddenly, his sister came and fought with him. For what? Because even she wants to feed the dog. So, mother had a solution there. She understood the reason for their fight and what she did? She told that 1 roti can be made into 2 halves. Halves means halves. Halves means 2 half. Okay, how to make 1 roti into 2 half? Now we will see. See the picture and identify the half parts. Children, this is 1 roti. Okay, and these they are made 2 half, which Kiran needed to feed the dog, Kiran and his sister. And this is half roti. Now, 1 cake is there. How to make it 2 piece? You can make either this way or that. Okay, so this is a cake, half cake piece. And here, 1 biscuit is there. It is divided into 2 parts. So this is half biscuit. 1 square. I think so. It looks like what is that? Crackjack biscuit. So this is crackjack biscuit. And here again it is divided into 2 pieces. 1 is for you and 1 is for me. Okay, next one is just a rectangle box which is divided into 2 parts. 1 is colored and another is not colored. So a half part which is colored is a half. Now, see the pictures and identify the half parts. Half of the drum is filled with water, half of the drum is empty, half of the square is colored, half of the square is not colored, half of the circle is colored red and half of the circle is colored green. But it looks like bluish. Okay, so here they are saying drum is 1 but half water is filled and half drum is empty. Here half square is colored and half square is not colored. But when you close this now, it looks triangle. If you close one part, it looks like triangle. See. Okay. But it is square in a shape, so they have mentioned here square. And this is circle. Half of the circle is in red color and another half is in the green color. Now, some pictures are given below. Can you divide all the possible pictures into two equal parts using the dotted line? Yes, children. Here, what is the thing is, whichever gets equally divided, that only we can divide. If maybe the objects or maybe the things, whichever may be, or numbers or fruit. Now see here, this is like a bangle. They have divided into half. So we will divide the scale into half. So you can mark this way. Even I can mark this dress into half. Okay. Even this clock. This 9 can I? No, because here it's a circle and here is a cut. So I cannot. Which is possible, only that we will do. Here this we can do it in a vertical form or in a horizontal too. Here this is a pot, we can. This is D. We will draw the line this way. Y means some objects we must see their shape and size and then you have to mark it. Okay. Even bell. We'll do properly. This way. Okay. Now, see this kettle. Here we cannot draw dotted line and equal it. Why? See here it's having a handle and here there is a opening. If we do also, here it will be a handle and here it will be opening. So we cannot make it equal. Here is a 8 number. So I will draw one horizontal line. Even a specs I can mark in the center. Even the mat, doormat, I can. F, can I, children? No, because here the only this line is same but this is not same. So I cannot. Pressure cooker, yes I can. I can vertical but this will be wrong. Why? Because here there is a handle. So this will be wrong, children. We cannot. Now here they have given the half letters and that remaining half you have to do. Okay, one I will show you so that in the textbook you can do. Just this is 4 letters. I will show you one. See here. Draw it this way and here same exactly this way. Okay, same thing you can draw using this line. Okay, now even here this is half, we have to fill this. Okay, this way. I will show everything so that it will be clear for you. And you just go on darkening it. Okay. Now this is letter N. So same thing you can draw it here. this way. Because same thing you will get here one half, here one half, here one straight line, here one straight line. In the next class we will see what is quarter. Thank you children.